Good morning. I am just waking the kids up. Good morning, buddy. Peter's getting his chores done before school. You're a good boy. Thank you so much. Bailey's tortilla broke. Shooty. So it's okay. She's just taking the eggs and ham.
Hi, Camilla.
What?
We have to show our first outfits of trimester 2.
First outfits? Bailey wants 2 outfits of the day. Let us know if you want to see them. With 4 kids, 6 different schedules, our daily routine looks different as a family. I would say we have more of a weekly routine. Mondays usually look the same, Tuesdays look the same, Wednesday, you know, those our weeks look the same. We have a few things come up, but for me personally, my morning routine looks the same. And I've tried harder to get my family on a routine, and I would say the older kids have the same routine. The babies routine changes because they have school certain days. But like I said, we have more of a weekly routine. For me personally, I wake up in the mornings, I try to drink water, I exercise, and then I get ready for the day. So that looks the same every single day. It just might start at different times. But I'm going to take you through my routine and the kids' routine for today. The babies are home with me. The other 2 have school. And it's just kind of a regular day. The little ones are still sleeping. I'm just down in the basement and I'm going to run. I usually exercise for about a half hour to 45 minutes. Not that long, but enough to get my body moving and to feel good. The babies are awake, having a little screen time while they eat some breakfast. It's the hardest part of my day, trying to figure out what these 2 will eat. I'm sure a lot of parents can relate to that. Trying to figure out what your kids will eat for any meal of the day is really challenging. And I'm going to hurry and make my breakfast. I have a smoothie every single day. That has also become part of my daily routine, and then do some work on my computer, whether I'm answering emails, doing a little editing. Today I'm going to go through and make my grocery list and do some meal planning and answer some emails. So that is what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to get ready. I finished up with the grocery list, got a few things done, got the babies bathed. We're gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna get ready. Holy moly. Okay, Layla is down for a nap, and Winston is having some quiet time playing with some toys. Now I'm going to get ready. Like I said, my routine is the same, just doesn't happen at the same time every day. But I feel like I've been talking a lot about skincare lately because it is so important to me. And honestly, it hasn't always been. I haven't taken good care of my skin in the past, and I really wish that I could go back and change that. But moving forward, it is so important to me and has become a huge priority to take care of my skin and to use products that will benefit my skin while wearing them. And I'm excited to share a product that I've been using for well over a month now that I have really loved. It is the Roden & Fields Radiant Defense. This has instantly become one of my very favorite products. I use it every single day, and I have really seen the benefits in how my skin looks and feels. Radiant Defense contains a powerhouse of amazing ingredients, and it also helps protect your skin by neutralizing the harmful effects of environmental aggressors. It repairs your skin's moisture barrier and has SPF 30. So it does all of that and gives the most beautiful coverage. It blurs any imperfections that you might have, and you don't have to worry about it clogging your pores, which was a problem that I was having, and you don't have to worry about breakouts. This is so great for your skin. Also, I have really, really sensitive skin, so it's great for all skin types. I'm sure you know by now I don't like heavy foundation. I like my makeup to look very natural, and I like it to feel very lightweight, and this does that. I also really like that it is quick and easy to apply. I've been using mostly, I have used my fingers, but I really like this Roden & Fields brush to buff it into my skin. It's so quick. I like to get ready every single day. It's just kind of like my time to relax. My kids know that when I'm getting ready, it's quiet time, but I don't have a lot of time. So I usually get ready very quickly, and this is perfect for that because it's just really quick and easy to put on. But it's also great for days like today. I'm going to be filming a few things and taking some pictures, and it does have buildable coverage. So when I film or take pictures, I do like a little more coverage, but I like for it to feel lightweight, and so this is perfect for that. It looks really beautiful. in pictures. So basically, this is the last step in my skincare routine. I start with this before applying the rest of my makeup. It's so important to have a great base to build upon, and this is perfect for that. Something else that I always look for in products, and I know I mentioned it, but it does have SPF 30 and it protects against UVA and UVB rays. These are the rays that damage the skin's aging process, which affects 80% of our skin's appearance. So you guys, do not use products that don't have SPF in them. Radiant Defense is available in 6 beautiful shades. The shade that I am wearing is, let's see, beige 2. So if you have coloring similar to mine, that is what I'm wearing. All right, you guys, I know I've said it a billion times, but I think that this is such a beautiful product, and I think that you'll really love it too. Now I am going to finish getting ready. I'm ready for the day. I'm just getting ready to start a couple loads of laundry. I try to do 1 to 3 loads of laundry every single day, depending on the laundry situation. So I'm going to hurry and do that, and then I have a meeting that I'm filming a few videos. All right, got the laundry started. I'm just going to hurry and kind of speed clean the kitchen. I need to do the dishes, but that's gonna have to wait until after I get done with my videos. All right, I'm getting ready to film. Abby's here, she's helping me. If you've seen this video, leave a comment down below because it will go up before this video that you're watching will go up, because I'm going to try to film this and edit and have it up in a couple of hours. So we'll see, but let me know if you've seen it. Today has been a great day, but it hasn't exactly went as planned. My crafts took a little bit longer, and I still need to run to the store and grab little hooks so that I can hang my countdown, but we had fun. I also ordered groceries, so my kitchen is full of groceries and we just have little messes everywhere. Casey's home, so I'm going to hurry and run to the store by myself, which will be much faster. Ah, oh my goodness. Okay, made it home from the grocery store, and I just wanted to check in quick. I haven't touched up my makeup, and I've been going today. Still looking good. My house, however, I won't clean while it's gone. Liliana's face is everything. We decided on spaghetti. This is helping cook the meat and the sauce. I'm cooking noodles, and we are having gluten-free noodles and whole wheat noodles. These are gluten-free. We've never tried them before. Hopefully they're good and Braylee likes them. Dinner was delicious. The only person who hasn't eaten is Braylee because she's not home. She's at a church activity, and hopefully she'll be home soon. But Gage, what are we doing?
Bleaching my hair.
Gage wants to bleach the top of his hair, but I say if you want to do something different and be different, do it. Okay, we're gonna do this, but you're gonna have to check back in tomorrow to see the finished look. Gluten-free noodles. I actually tried some and they were good.
You guys like it?
Stop.
Finishing touches.
Finish. Just kidding, we haven't started. Braylee walked in right when I turned the camera off. I still haven't started on Gage's hair. But one more thing I wanted to talk about. I just got a bunch of these little cards just at the dollar store. And this is like a little number matching game that I got for Winston to work on. I got these and then a few others with letters and different things. But I wanted him to start working on these, and they looked really fun. What do you think, buddy?
I like it. It looks like it's like frosted. Like,
looks like you were outside in the snow.
Yeah.
Okay, well that is sitting on Gage's hair processing. I'm going to start my night routine. I'm just going to wash my face. I've been trying really hard to wash my face every single night. That is something that I struggle with just because I am tired and I will just fall asleep with my makeup on, but that is really bad for your skin. And I've been using a really heavy moisturizer. My skin was so dry. I had like really bad dry patches around my nose that I could not clear up. And I want to say that even with the heavy moisturizer, it didn't go away until I started using the Radiant Defense. that's when I really noticed that my skin was just looking a little better and not so dry. And it really does wear beautifully throughout the day. I've had this makeup on for a really long time. The thing that I really love is that this does not settle into any fine lines, and it doesn't like bunch weird or crease or do anything. It just wears naturally. It doesn't look like you're wearing anything on your face. So I really, really like that. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my face and then I'm going to get the babies to bed. But I just thought while Gage was processing, it's funny that I would hurry and do this. All right, the kids are all ready for bed. Layla's just waiting for me. I'm going to get her to sleep and then I'm going to clean. That has become something that I do every single night, is I make sure to clean at least this level of my house so that when I wake up it's clean, and it just helps my day get off to a better start. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It was really fun to just kind of go through my day, tell you what I do. I always get asked what I do all day long. And like I said, my day changes, but my routines kind of stay the same. If you guys would like more in-depth videos on like my morning routine and what I do, like every single step I take, every product I use, let me know. Same with like a nighttime or cleaning videos. I would love to do that. So let me know if you would like to see that. But today I just wanted to go kind of like through my day and what I do all day long. So I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye, thanks for hanging out.